Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo X80 Lite and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 2 hours. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, Play Store, Chrome and the other. You can also tap on the unlocks or actually check the unlocks and the notifications. And if you want to check some further details, you can either tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard in which you can check the time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week, so you can compare them. You can change the screen time to the notifications and times opened, and under it you will have the list of apps and the exact time you've spent on them. And the second option is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, Play Store, Chrome, whatever app you've got here, just tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard and you will be able to check the time you've spent on this particular app. What is more, here we've got the ways to disconnect, so if you'll decide that you spend too much time on the screen, you can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode. Basically, you can choose, you can pick some distracting apps like social media or whatever. Just mark it, your device will mark it as distracting apps. You can set a schedule, so choose days, particular days of the week, particular hours, and then after applying this focus mode, your device will hide and turn off the notifications from those apps, so you will not be that distracted. You will be able to focus on, for example, work or resting. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.